Collaborating with your team in real time maximises your productivity. Dindo is designed and engineered from the ground up to let you collaborate on your jobs easily. Collaborating on your takeoff and estimating means not just working on the same job at the same time, but it means communicating efficiently and having visibility about the project and its progress. So whether you want to share your takeoff with just one other person, or share your whole estimating process with a team, Dindo is software made for you. Today, in our Dindo webinar, we're going to explore the features and tools that can help you maximize your collaboration so you can get your takeoffs and estimates done faster. We'll break down collaboration in Dindo into 6 parts. Understanding comments and tasks, creating comments, managing comments, creating tasks, managing tasks, and plan takeoff comments and tasks. Understanding comments and tasks. In Dindo, the 2 best ways to communicate with your team are with comments and tasks. So what is a comment? A comment is a note made against a cell, which includes the name of the creator and the note they've specified. Comments are a great way to add more context to a quantity or provide additional details to an item without having to edit its description. Comments will stay in Dindo too, so if you share a more detailed estimate with your clients, they won't see your comments. Let's talk about tasks. Think of a task as a comment that's assigned to a team member. Tasks can also have due dates, so they're easier to manage. They are the best way to collaborate across a job. Anywhere you can create a comment, you can create a task. When a task is assigned to you, or you're assigning tasks to someone, an email about that task will be triggered. There are also some great ways to easily view all tasks assigned to you or someone else, so you can quickly follow up with jobs to be done. Comments versus tasks. You should use comments to provide context to decisions. For example, you could use a comment to explain how and why an item was calculated in a particular way. You should use tasks when you want to assign a job or duty to someone else or even yourself. For example, you could add a task for your administrator to contact a subby about their pricing. Creating comments. We'll start by showing you how to add a comment to your estimate. It's as easy as selecting the cell you want to comment on and clicking the Add Comment button in the taskbar. Alternatively, you can right-click the cell and select Comment from the context menu. You can leave a comment in only cells that let you set unique information, like the description, factor, quantity, final quantity, rate, contingency, and total. You can also leave a comment at a dim sheet level and in a rate sheet. The comment window will open, and you can leave a message explaining that only one supplier can provide a specific tile, or make a note to explain why you've added extra markup to an item. The best way to collaborate with comments is by using the @ symbol in the comment body. When you do this, you will be able to tag your team members. So you can tag a more senior team member to check a quantity, or just tag a partner so they can know an item you've included in a given trade. After you've left a comment, you will see the top right-hand corner of the cell will be marked in gold. If anyone else has left a comment, it too will show with a golden corner. Managing comments. You can view and manage all the comments and tasks for a given job by clicking the comments icon from the top of your job. By default, you will see all comments across the job, but you can filter the comments. You can specify those assigned to you. You can select whether you want comments for all trades or just the one you have opened. From the comments side pane, you can update or delete a comment, and even add a reply to continue the conversation, adding more detail, or asking for additional information or an update. When adding a reply, you can tag other team members who you may want to rope into the conversation. Creating tasks. If you can create a comment, you can create a task. Start by creating a comment. Then, from the comment window, click the task slider. Now you can assign that task to a person on your team and set a due date. The assignee will immediately get an email about the task, which will include not only the comment, but a link to go directly to the right part of the job so they can action it immediately. Even if you're assigning a task to someone else, you can tag one or more team members in that task so they can be aware of it or be able to provide additional details or context by leaving a reply. Just like comments, when you create a task, it will be identifiable by a golden corner. Managing tasks. Although you can manage and view tasks much the same way you do comments, you can also utilize a task manager. Just click the Tasks tab from InnerJob to get started. From here, you will be able to see all tasks for that job, but you can filter by task status, assignee, and assigner. Tasks will be organised into due date categories to better highlight work that needs to be done first. The first grouping is Today, which will also show overdue tasks in red. Then you will see tasks due tomorrow and at other intervals. Down the bottom of this page, you will also see tasks with no due date set. When you select a task, it will be shown in the Tasks side pane, much like how comments show. And from here, you can edit and delete tasks, mark a task as resolved, and reply to comments. From here, you can also create new tasks. Plan and take off comments and tasks. Collaboration is just as critical when completing your takeoff and generating quantities from your plans as when building your estimate and rates. You can create comments and tasks for your takeoff shapes within the Plans and Takeoff tab in a job. Once you've got your plans ready, you can create comments from either a shape group or from a shape itself. When creating a comment, it's easy to transform it into a task. Just toggle the task switch and you can select an assigner and a due date. Clicking View All Comments will open the Takeoff comments so you can filter your comments by author, the plan, or the comment status. Dindo is made for collaboration, and there is no limit to the number of users who can go into a job and help with taking off quantities from a plan or building up and costing your estimate. There has never been a tool that lets this many users get an estimate done faster, and now with comments and tasks, we're giving you even more power to collaborate. So whether you're creating comments, organising tasks assigned to you, or just messaging with your team, Dindo makes real-time collaboration easy. We hope you're better equipped to utilise comments and tasks with your next project. Get your free demonstration today and simplify your approach to takeoff and estimating.